Professor, can you introduce yourself first?
My name is Artan Qineti. I am from Albania originally, but I teach at the Slovak University of Agriculture in Nitra at the Faculty of Economics and Management. I specialize on agriculture and food economics and policy, and this is exactly the section that we are teaching in the framework of the Prizren Summer School 2022, which is an amazing experience.
Can you tell more about the course you're lecturing here and the experience with the students at this course?
Yes, from the very beginning when we learned about this opportunity, we were eager to talk about issues regarding agriculture and food policy in the context of the two major crises of currently COVID pandemics and conflict in Ukraine, the consequences. And I'm very happy to teach in a very international environment with students from different countries of the world, developed and developing. And it is an amazing experience because we don't only teach theoretically, but we have very interesting debates and interpreting our discussions and figures in the context of the countries where our students come from. It's an amazing time actually to discuss these issues because given the prices, the trends in the agriculture and food sector globally, it is not only a professional issue, but for many countries it's an existential issue. So I cannot think of any other correct time to discuss about the topics that we have chosen in our section.
What is your impressions about the summer university in Prizren, because the University of Prizren for the first time has organized a summer school, and impressions about the city in general?
I can imagine that summer school can be quite a challenge, and especially if it's the first time, but I can't think of a better place for summer school than Prizren, with its amazing historical environment and with the famous hospitality of the people. Everything is great here. People are so wonderful. I think even our students and staff, they are feeling wonderful. We had the opportunity to go around Kosovo also on Saturday and have these very interesting and amazing extracurricular activities. I would be very happy if this is not the last time, but that the summer school will continue, and I would be more than happy to cooperate in organizing future summer schools in Prizren. And also the timing is perfect because combined with the International Festival of Documentary Film, DocuFest, it's a perfect synergy. I'm really amazed, and I couldn't think of better time to spend the summer than in this activity.
Would you recommend your colleagues and other foreign professors to come in the next seasons of summer school to lecture here at the University of Prizren?
Absolutely. As I said, I appreciate it very much. Teaching at the summer school, I would not only recommend, but I see it as an opportunity. For example, with my university, we want to have a broad cooperation with the university UKSHIN HOTI, and for sure I would recommend to my colleagues to come not only from Nitra but from other universities, at least from the Visegrad group, Poland, Hungary, Czech Republic. I think all of them would like to come and contribute to the lectures and to the topics chosen. So I see it optimistically if the organizers choose so to continue in the summer school. I am more than sure that many of my colleagues would apply and come to teach.